Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, as you know, we are reading about one of the short story of our English book, that is Ebele. It's basically a short story written by Abdul Ghani Sheikh. अभी तक हमने देखा इसमें कि ये एबली जो है एक डरपोक औरत होती है। इनकी एक बच्ची रुखसाना जो है श्रीनगर में पढ़ती है और ये घर वालों को तंग करते हैं कि आपने क्यों उसको मजबूर किया है श्रीनगर में जाने के लिए, क्योंकि वो डरती थी कि कहीं इसका हादसा ना हो जाए। एक दफ़ा जो है तुर्की के अंदर ज़लज़ला हुआ था, तो इसने यहाँ पर उनको बोला कि मेरी बच्ची का क्या हाल हुआ होगा। वो उसको परसुएड करते हैं कि कन्विंस करते हैं कि तुर्की जो है बहुत दूर है श्रीनगर से और हमें घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो ज़लज़ला जो है वो एक ख़ास खत्ते में आता है, बट वो जो है नहीं मानती है। तो नेक्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट हैपन। वी आल्सो हैड टू टेक एक्सट्रीम प्रिकॉशंस बिफोर कमेंटिंग ऑन द न्यूज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ अभी। फॉर एग्जांपल, if they have to mention a news before her, they have to take very much precautions, extreme precautions at that time, because she was getting feared that her daughter may have got trapped into that accident or whatsoever it may be. The mentioning of daily happenings like the rolling of a bus into a ditch. For example, if the news has come on the newspaper that a bus has been rolling down into a ditch, and if they want to mention this news before Ebele, they have to take extreme precautions, क्योंकि वो बहुत डरती थी कहीं मेरी बच्ची के साथ ऐसा ना हो जाए। The derailing of a rail cart. For example, if the rail cart has derailed from its track, अगर रेलगाड़ी जो है कभी ट्रैक के अंदर डिरेल करती है। The disappearance of an aeroplane. If somewhere the aeroplane is disappeared, या कभी कभी एरोप्लेन जो है वो गायब हो जाता है। और द फायरिंग ऑफ ए बुलेट एट सम प्रोसेशन, या कभी प्रोसेशन के ऊपर, कभी हुजूम के ऊपर बुलेट चलाए जाते हैं प्रोसेशन को ख़त्म करने के लिए, हुजूम को ख़त्म करने के लिए। और अदर was enough to trigger an interminable series of questions. And whenever they mention these news items before her, she start questioning, interminable questioning, means series of questions. लगातार वो उनको ना ख़त्म होने वाले क्वेश्चन वो बार बार करती रहती थी, कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ। Is my Roxana safe? She was at that time, her response was, is her Roxana safe? क्या उसकी Roxana safe है? Was Roxana traveling in that bus? क्या Roxana इस बस में सफ़र कर रही थी? Was she traveling in that bus? Roxana is very curious. Roxana is a very much curious girl. She must have gone to see that procession, and she must have gone to see that, वो शायद गई होगी उस प्रोसेशन को देखने के लिए जिस प्रोसेशन के ऊपर फायरिंग हो चुकी है। We would start laughing and Abby would admonish us yet again for sending Roxana to Srinagar. And at that time, at that moment, we start laughing. We would start laughing. They said that they start laughing. हम उसके हंसते थे. And she would admonish us. And at that time, she warned us gently. She admonish means warn. She warned us gently that why they have sent Roxana to Srinagar. When she expressed her helplessness, जब वो अपनी मायूसी का जिक्र करती थी, बेबसी का जिक्र करती थी, helplessness, we comforted her and we tried to persuade her. We made her comfortable, saying to her that Srinagar is a mountain resort. Srinagar, as far as Srinagar is concerned, it is a health resort. It is एक सेहत अफ़ज़ा मुकाम है, that it is called the paradise on earth, and this Srinagar is called the paradise, and इसको दुनिया का जन्नत कहा जाता है। And every year thousands of tourists visit Kashmir to explore it, and every year thousands of tourists throughout the world they came to explore it. to see that very much beautiful place. We tried to make her understand that Roxana was in Srinagar not out of some desperation, but to get further education and seek a better life. And at that time, we tried our best to make her understand that Roxana has not gone to Srinagar for some desperation, yeah, for some fear. You should not take. हमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. रुखसाना जो है श्रीनगर गई है, उसको कोई खौफ वगैरह नहीं है. But to get further, but she has gone to Srinagar to seek education, to get education, further education, and to make her life a better. अपनी ज़िंदगी को बनाने के लिए, उसको आला तालीम हासिल करने के लिए हमने उसको श्रीनगर भेजा है. When we promised her that next spring we would take her to Srinagar too, Abby fell silent. And at one time we told her that in the next, when there will be a next spring, जब अगली बहार आएगी, they will take Abby to Srinagar. हमने उसको बोला हम आपको भी श्रीनगर ले जाएंगे. Abby fell silent, and Abby at that time fell silent. वो उस वक्त खामोश रहती थी. If we had brought up the subject of her visiting Srinagar before Roxana left her, if we had brought up the subject of her visiting Srinagar before Roxana left, अगर हमने यही बात उसको पहले ही बोली थी जब रुखसाना घर में ही थी, जो अभी नहीं, जो श्रीनगर के लिए मतलब रवाना नहीं हो चुकी होती, नहीं हुई होगी, she would have risen in anger and pursed her mouth. उस वक्त उसको गुस्सा आ जाता है, वो अपनी माउथ को शट कर दी, declaring that I won't leave my children and grandchildren to go anywhere. And at that time she might have declared that she would not allow her children or grandchildren to go somewhere. उस वक्त वो इजाज़त नहीं देती उनको कि आप कहीं जाओ या मत जाओ, या कहीं दूर मेरे बच्चों को या मेरे पूतों को आप मत भेजो. Srinagar aside, Abby has not ventured beyond a distance of 10 miles. If we will keep this Srinagar aside, अगर हम श्रीनगर को एक तरफ छोड़ेंगे, अभी जो थी, she has not gone to a distance more than 10 kilometer. यानी 10 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा उसने कभी सफ़र नहीं किया था अपने गाँव से. 2 years ago, means before 2 years, after a gap of 8 years, when there was a gap of 8 years, 8 सालों की gap, she had made it to Leh town for the annual Dosmachi festival, and she decided to go to Leh town. यानी 8 साल के बाद वो लेह टाउन की तरफ जा रही थी in order to participate in a Dosmachi festival. एक बड़ा फेस्टिवल लगता था वहाँ पर, उसमें शिरकत करने के लिए. That festival is held every winter to purge the town of evils, to purify a sin. Purge means to purify a sin, यानी गुनाहों को तौबा करने के लिए वहाँ पर एक मेला लगता है. She saw masked dancers, and what she saw there, she saw a masked dancers and musicians. वहाँ पर उसने musicians को देखा, dancers को देखा, leading a procession. They were leading a procession. They were in a gathering. उन्होंने एक gathering जमा की थी, procession में जा रहे थे वो. From the place through the main bazaar, from the palace, उस महल खाने से, and they were proceeding through the main bazaar. यानी बाजार के बीच में से वो जा रहे थे. She came across monks burning effigies, and she met some monks. पादरियों को भी वहाँ पर वो उसको पादरी भी वहाँ दिखाई देने. They were burning effigies. They were burning images of a person. Effigies means images, and making crosses of thread. और वो धागों का वो क्रॉस बना रहे थे. To trap harmful spirits and hungry ghosts of the old year. There was much hustle bustle. So there was much hustle and bustle. लोग काफ़ी तादाद में थे, हुजूम था, hustle and bustle थी. But that evening when Ebele returned home. And what happened at that evening when she returned from home? She could only complain. And at that time she complained only. उसने शिकायत की क्या शिकायत की? Oh dear, my head is spinning. Oh my dear children, my her head is spinning. उसका चक्कर खा रहा है. मेरा सिर उसका सिर चक्कर खा रहा है. There were so many people there that the breath was squeezed out of me. There was a hustle and bustle. There was so many people. बहुत सारे लोग थे. मेरी सांस उस वक्त फूल चुकी थी. मेरा तो सांस ही बंद हो चुका था. Squeezed out of me. Her breath was squeezed out of her. I will never go again. And she at that time says that she would never go to Leh again. मैं लेह अब मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. So tomorrow we will see what is happening with the Ebele. Here are some words. You can see the meaning of these words. Thank you.